did, so to say, on the One Fast Cat Wheel. This has significantly decreased the noise and improved its stability. I no longer have a wobble at all. I purchased roller skate wheels off Amazon, 20 bucks, replaced all 4. And I also put 5-pound weights on the base. I just tied it with rope around. Might be hard to see on each side. And then I also put, they're just chair cups, they call them. They're plastic cups. They put them on for furniture. So this is just the box that they came on. Kokomo wants to be in the video. Sorry. And that has significantly increased the longevity of this. We've had it probably for about 2 years now, and I have 3 Siamese that run on it continuously.